Hi guys, and you can't hear me right now because like there's so much chirping of like these parrots. They're so cute and their colors are so unique. Look at that! Oh my god! They're adorable. I just want to it's so cute. Goodness. They're like fighting.
In fact, it's so relaxing.
I know, right? They're like so cute.
The parrots are the birds are like so colorful.
Yeah. Amazing.
It's not a parrot, it's a bird. It's a parrot.
Yeah.
No.
Just look at those. They're literally fighting. Oh my goodness. They have like each other's beaks and they're like turning around. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And then these are coming. I think these are parrots, yeah?
Yeah. They are so cute and my hand is hurting. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and there's so much up. There are like 50 of them went up.
Oh my god.
Good. Hi guys. Here are like so many parrots on like tree, and they're like. Okay guys, so the parrots were gone for a second, but now they're back. And this was just like a little vlog and of these like adorable creatures. And yeah, see you all next time. Bye.
So guys, now I'm going to make the egg. So I on the flame and using extra virgin olive oil, just little bit. You can see just this one. So, and olive oil is good for your health. Even if you're on your weight loss journey, you can use the olive oil. See, I use just little bit of olive oil.